Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the platform. OwnCloud is a powerful, open-source file sharing and collaboration platform that offers a self-hosted alternative to popular cloud storage services. Think of it as having your own personal Dropbox or Google Drive, but under your complete control. You install the OwnCloud server software on your own hardware, whether that's a home server, a virtual private server, VPS, or even a Raspberry Pi. This gives you the freedom to manage your data, set your own security parameters, and ensure privacy. With OwnCloud, you can securely store, share, and sync your files across multiple devices. The platform supports a variety of clients, including desktop apps for Windows, macOS, and Linux, as well as mobile apps for Android and iOS. This seamless integration allows you to access your files from anywhere, anytime. Beyond simple file storage and sharing, OwnCloud provides a rich set of features including collaborative editing of documents, versioning, and the ability to synchronize calendars and contacts. The open-source nature of OwnCloud is a significant advantage. It means the code is freely available for inspection and modification, offering transparency and allowing for community contributions. This also fosters a vibrant ecosystem of plugins and extensions, enabling you to customize OwnCloud to meet your specific needs. You can integrate it with other services, add functionalities like video conferencing, or enhance security measures. OwnCloud is a particularly attractive solution for individuals and organizations concerned about data privacy and security. By hosting your own cloud, you have full control over where your data resides and who has access to it. You're not subject to the terms of service and data policies of third-party providers. This makes OwnCloud an ideal choice for those working with sensitive information or operating in regulated industries. Finally, OwnCloud's flexibility and scalability make it a suitable option for a wide range of users, from individuals looking for a secure personal cloud to large organizations seeking a robust and customizable file-sharing solution. If you're seeking a private, secure, and versatile cloud storage solution, OwnCloud is definitely worth exploring. Check the link in the description to learn more.